What's going on, guys? It's me, Amanda102 here, and today we're going to be unboxing this Tapu KoKo pin collection. Yeah. So here's the top, side. Let's unbox. Oh yeah, wait, I forgot to tell you. This comes with one foil promo card featuring Tapu KoKo, one collector spin featuring the guy, 3 Pokemon TCG booster packs, which stands for Trading Card Game, a code for the Pokemon Trading Card Online, and I don't do that, so I'll give it to you. Let's open this. Yeah. Oh. Okay. I don't want. Okay, there we are. Scoot that to the side. Hey. So we got that card here and the thing. Yep, just as I suspected. Yeah. The card's right here. Looking nice. If this would focus. Come on. Let me try tapping it. Okay, yeah, that's better. Okay, Flying Flip. This attack does 20 damage to each of your opponents. Pokemon don't apply weaknesses and resistance for the... You guys can read it, okay. Yeah, there's the card. Promo. And here's the code. And, of course, the pin. Just like this, right? Like this. Wait, let me look. How do you stand? Yeah, like this. Okay. Here's the pin. Now you can pin it anywhere you want. Ooh, what is this? Nice texturing on the back. Good job, Pokemon. Stepped your game up. Okay. Sun and Moon, Guardians Rising, and a Steam Siege. Man, why did they still do Steam Siege? It's like 2017. Okay. Let's not have any trouble opening this like last time. And this time I got my skizzers. Got my skizzers back. Over here, you know, with the skizzers. Okay, open that. Make sure I didn't cut the card. 1, 2, 3, 4. That. Okay. First we got Energy, Goliath, Enchanted Hammer, Aqua Patch, and where's my camera? Not for, okay. Phantom, Machoke doing the dab, Fletchling, Vulpix, and Gothite. Oh wait, and a reverse holo. Oh wait, no. A Carvana, a Metagross G. No way. First booster pack and we get this. Yo, look at the shine. That's good right there. That's real good. Let's open the second pack. That's the one that I just opened, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, second pack. Okay. Another Sun, Moon, Guardians Rising. Skizzers. Got it from the bottom. Yay. Hope I didn't ruin the card. What am I doing on the side of the camera? There, in the middle. Did I give you guys the code? Yeah, I think I did. N7P, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Okay. Energy. Enchanted Hammer. Komala. Multi-switch. Rockful. Machop. Trubbish. Delbird. Genjomo, and oh wait, why do I keep doing that? A Snorunt and regular Gothitella right there. Where's my last one at? Where is it? Steam Seed. Oh my god, wait, I just love this card. Man, the texture though. Can you hear that? Dang. Okay, here it is, hiding under all my cards. I don't think I need the skizzers for this one. Maybe I do. Come on, Pokemon, come on. Eat. The skizzers. Where is the skizzers? Why do I keep losing? Under the Pokemon cards again. Steam Siege. Keep that open. Come on, Steam Siege, you gotta get me something good. One, two, three, four. I think it's three. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's three. Okay, there. Flaffy, Armo Fossil Shield, and Clefairy, Mario, Ponyata, Dano, Litwick, Nosepass, Reverse Holo Yanma, and a Nidoking. Okay. So that's gonna give that's gonna be the end of this card thing. Where's my GX? Come on, where's my GX? Where's my GX? Oh, there it is, there it is. I think I found it? No, I don't know. But yeah, this was the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.